Palantir just quietly entered the eVTOL space, and almost nobody noticed. Not through an aircraft company, but through a regional airline already operating today. A company that's now cutting losses, improving efficiency, and building a system designed to run future electric aircraft networks, from conventional airplanes to eVTOL. And this might be one of the most overlooked plays in the entire sector. Hey up everyone, welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. I'm Vaz. Do you know what time it is? Time to start talking eVTOLs. Today we are talking about Surf Air mobility. And to understand this story, we need to start with what they are today, not what people think they are. So what they do today. Surf Air is not an eVTOL manufacturer. They are a regional airline operator. They are flying conventional aircraft, CTOL, not eVTOL, today. And that matters because they already are in the infrastructure. They are already in the ecosystem. They operate via Southern Airways Express. They have a fleet of over 50 aircraft, and they operate turboprops and short haul. They also operate the biggest fleet of is a Sea Otter, Beecham Sea Otter, this specific aircraft model. They have scheduled routes and they do chartered operations as well. And surprisingly, they have high completion rates and improving efficiency as well. They are not starting from zero. They are running real operations right now. But this is where the story shifts, because Surf Air isn't just operating flights. They are building something behind the scenes. Palantir, one key word. They are developing a platform called SurfOS, or operation system, and it's being built with nobody else than Palantir Technologies. This is not basic airline software. This is a system designed to manage entire aviation operations across the fleet. So just to put this into perspective and quickly explain, what does Surf Operation System do? They optimize routes. It's scheduling fleet, the whole fleet. It's involved in crew management, maintenance planning, real-time operation decisions, and cost efficiency and optimization. And this is the system that decides what flies, when it flies, and how efficiently it runs. And here is the key point. SurfOS is not just for Surf Air. It's the product. We have a look at the operations model. We can first see the internal deployment of the first, to prove the efficiency of the whole model. But then we expand to regional airlines, to charter operators, to cargo networks. And we already have some numbers quietly being whispered around. First, we have 10 letters of intent from the future customers. And also, we have 5 operators onboarding. The names have not been disclosed yet, but we potentially have 5 customers using SurfOS already. They are not just running an airline. They are trying to sell the system other airlines will run on. Now, why we are talking about this? Well, let's talk about the update that triggered this. Surf Air Mobility just revisited its guidance, and we talked about it through the week, and you could see it was quite volatile on the stock chart. What is their revision? What is their guidance? Losses are down significantly, Efficiency is improving. But this isn't just a finance update. This is the turning point. What this guidance is about? Well, we have stable revenue. That's not changed. That is a positive signal because the growth is continuing. Losses are reduced. And the new guidance is expecting about 40% improvement. How about that? Cost discipline, which means airline operations are improving, charter performance is strong, and we have leaner structure. All of this is because of Palantir and their system and its early setup. They are stabilizing the business while building a platform on top of it. And this is where everything connects. Surf Air operates eVTOL aircraft, conventional takeoff and landing aircraft today. But they are preparing for electric aircraft, as you can see behind me, Electra 9, and they are also eventually deploying eVTOL in their fleet and in their ecosystem. And SurfOS is being built to handle that entire transition. This is not a reset. This is an evolution. Now, what has been resonating through or since their earnings call? Surf Air Mobility have announced partnership with Beta Technologies. Beta Technologies are designing electric eVTOL aircraft, the horizontal flight. They are much more efficient than the combustion engine. So, Surf Air Mobility announced partnership that can scale up to 100 aircraft. As you can see behind me, the Alia 300. Up to 100 aircraft. That is a massive fleet. First will be cargo focus. So cargo first deployment strategy, and revenue from this fleet is expected as early as next year. How about that? Now, the aircraft will plug into the system, not the other way around, just to put this into context. And where are they going to operate? Well, Surf Air Mobility operate in 3 clusters across the continental United States. But their biggest network is Hawaii Islands. And Hawaii has been identified as a key test environment. It's got ideal geography, multiple islands, short routes. The network is quite air traffic dependent. But there's important detail. Hawaii, Surf Air Mobility and Beta Technologies, they submitted their application for the EIPP, eVTOL Initial Pilot Program. Wasn't selected in the first wave, and this might put a little setback on the whole system. But this is positioning for future deployment, not active rollout yet. Now, let's zoom out a bit. This is where the markets might be missing the point, because everyone is focused on aircraft, on an eVTOL. But aircraft are only part of the equation. You still need to run the system. Zoom out completely, wide angle fish islands. We are still in very early stage. We are still loss making. We are still not profitable, but we are generating revenue. The platform is not proven at scale, and external operators are not yet disclosed. But they already have something many don't. They have real operations. Surf Air didn't just improve its numbers. They showed the direction they are heading. They are not trying to win the aircraft race. They are trying to build with Palantir, and that changes the story. The product isn't the aircraft, it's the system. Although we have no named operators yet, that is already important as it is. Thank you very much for bearing with me. I would like to ask you, if you like, I know we have few SurfOS mobility investors. I would like to ask you to hit the like button. I'll be back with you in the very second with a tweet of the day, stock charts, chat, and I will send you off to Martyn.
You're only 20 minutes of the eVTOL market updates you need daily.
SurfOS Mobility, as you can see, with their beta technologies aircraft, Alia 300, together with their original fleet aircraft. Now, let's go to the tweet of the day. Things are heating up. Things are getting heated up in the United States. The EIPP is taking concrete picture, or is making concrete picture. It's taking shape. Joby Aviation flying in New York in the coming days, and look out, because I'll be bringing you quite good deep analysis on what's going on and how New York could be the center point of the flying taxi deployment. But that's not it. Joby are also deploying for pilot operations, if you will, in Los Angeles. Is it Los Angeles? It could be, because we have some good news from Joby as well. And again, look out for more updates. Now, Oliver Walker-Jones, the spokesperson of Joby Aviation, tweeted a very cryptic message, a very strong potential meaning behind it. Meanwhile, in California, wait in the line. It's a video. This is just a snapshot, but there's multiple Joby aircraft on the ground. And I have no doubt Joby will be deploying their aircraft in multiple American cities and the EIPP selected regions, one after the other, just to demonstrate, just to bring the attention, just to prove they are ready, and also just to get the initial metrics. Tweet of the day from Joby. Let's have a look at charts. Today, not a very good day. Disclaimer, and I don't think it's going to get any better in the coming days and even weeks. You will have fanboy channels, fanboy accounts hyping you. Oh, it's going 5% up. Yeah, get in. The best day of the year. No. Look at it. This is the reality. We are going sideways, and we will be going sideways downwards unless we have a major shift. Unless we have a major shift in the Middle East, unless we have massive de-escalation, unless we have ceasefire, unless we have policy shift in the United States, your eVTOL market, your eVTOL pie will look like this pretty much every day. You will have 5% up, 7% down. We will be going sideways and downwards. It's not financial advice, but this is what will be happening in the coming days and maybe even weeks until we have major shift. So today, look at it. Massively beaten down. Archer, 6% down. Joby, 7.5%. Vertical Aerospace, almost 9% down. Horizon Aircraft, 5% down. Amprius, our buy and our eVTOL market sweetheart stock. Look at it. Even Amprius is taking hit. 5% down. Although it's hit the all-time high recently. Have a look at Archer, 573. This can easily go. The next step, 550, 540, that level. Next stop, 520. I am not fear-mongering, I'm just being realistic. This is great entry point, but be aware, we might be there for a while. Unless we have a major shift. If that happens, eVTOL stocks can rocket launch. Until that happens, this will be your bread and butter. And again, I'm not fear-mongering, I'm just being realistic. Joby Aviation, $8.50. This is the very comfortable zone. But again, $8.20 and lower. Nice entry point. Vertical Aerospace, $2.45. We are now out of our comfortable zone between $3 and $2.60. No need for panic. No need for panic selling, but expect slightly lower levels. And there's no really anything I would like to mention. Even such tech-heavy stock and company as Rolls-Royce, multiple disciplines, multiple subsidiary companies. Rolls-Royce is not only cars, it's aerospace, it's an engineering company, it's an energy company as well. It's been taking hit after hit after hit. So, just to put this into perspective for you. Now, let me know in the chat, what do you think? Do you think we can expect some recovery? Do you think we can see some sigh of relief? Or when do you think this will shift? I'm going back, talk to you in the chat, then I will send you off to Martyn for his Intel earnings call. Right, I got a bit excited, I got a bit carried away emotionally. I hope you enjoyed it. At least I let everything out and I let it off my chest. Saturday, what would be my Saturday live eVTOL show? It will be a special because we are coming to my eVTOL Hub video number 200 or show number 200. I think that's a big chunk and I would like to celebrate it with you. So on Saturday there will be a members only event. I would like to sit down with you. I will have a guest, maybe a couple of guests, maybe more. I will open the phone line for you so we can talk and we might have a glass, but don't tell Martyn. Right, let's go. Excuse me. Let's go in the chat. Let's see what we've got here. I was here first, obviously, because I set up the show. Frederick is here. He was second. Congratulations. Congratulations. Sammy, thanks, Vas. Thank you for joining. Starlight Matrix, hey up. Love it. Love it. And that's it. Okay, we are a bit quiet today. We don't want to talk. That's fine. That's fine. We are running a poll. What matters more in the future of eVTOL? Aircraft performance, 44%. Operating system and data, today's pivot point. No one voted for. Infrastructure, 50%. And demand and pricing, 10%. Thank you for taking part in the poll. And we're going to wrap it up. If you don't have any more questions, we will wrap it up. And I will see you tomorrow. And then I will see you definitely on Saturday for a nice, steady, relaxed party. Martyn says, hi, mate, I'm here with you. Thank you, Martyn, I know. Right, that's it from me. I know we've got few SurfOS mobility investors. It's a very interesting stock. I am waiting for my payday, and I'll be deploying some money towards SurfOS mobility as well on Thursday and Friday. So yeah, I think we are at a good entry point, especially with the revised guidance. Right, that's it from me. I'll see you tomorrow, and I will definitely see you on Saturday. Take care of yourselves and each other.